Hey everyone, I want to share some image tricks with you to create avatars with your Imgix account. Creating a unique image from the face of a photo can be a great way to express a profile online as an avatar. If you would like to programmatically do this to a large group of images, it's extremely easy to use Imgix to intelligently create avatar images based on faces in a photo uploaded by a user. I have an example image I'm going to download from Unsplash. I'm going to upload this to my Imgix Asset Manager. This is actually uploading to my S3 account I connected to my Asset Manager. This is just a simpler way to upload and organize all of those S3 images. Now, I can open the URL and add some sizing. In the URL of the image, I'll add a question mark, then put 500 by 500 in the API. Now I can add fit equals face area and it will readjust the image directly on a face in the image. Obviously this is too zoomed in, but you can fix that by adding a value to FacePad to choose how far to back off from the face. I will do 2.5 for this example here. Now, if you'd like to adjust the image to not be a basic square or rectangle, you can add a mask to the image. We have some pre-built masks you can apply, which are called ellipse or corners. Simply add mask equals ellipse, and you can see this work. Here's also the image with corners. You can see the white in the corners of this image, but to see if it's actually transparent, you can click with your mouse and drag it around. I still see the white in the corners, so it's not transparent. You can either change the format to PNG with FM equals PNG if you're intending on downloading this image for use later. If you're going to leave it on the web, I would instead use auto equals format compress. This will intelligently switch the format to be much lighter than a PNG, but also always support transparent images. Now I can drag it and you can see it's actually transparent. Depending on your browser, what you see behind the image might be different. It is also possible to apply some custom masks you created in Photoshop or maybe Figma and apply them as a watermark as well. You can use this combination of Imgix API parameters to apply these to any amount of images to programmatically create avatars. I hope you enjoyed that bit of info here and look forward to giving you some more image tricks later. Bye.